Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. I am working on our July art collab. It is Nate's Art Lab collab, and we have a special guest this month. It is Tiffany from MelyD Studios, and she does cloud pours. Boy, does she do cloud pours. I have been binge watching her, and I really hope I can do something as great as some of the ones that she's done. I have her recipe here. It is Vallejo Pro Medium mixed with Artist Loft Soft Body, and that is my third take on saying that because I don't know why. I stumbled over the last two, so there'll probably be bloopers at the end of this one. Anyways, that is the recipe mixed with American Floetrol. So it is 1 part paint to 2 parts American Floetrol and 1 part Vallejo Pro Medium. So that is going to be my white for the cloud pour. My other colors are several mixtures here. I have Atelier's Prussian Blue mixed with TOP Sapphire. I have Liquitex medium here of Dioxazine Purple. Sorry, Liquitex Basics mixed with Dioxazine Purple mixed with Syrah right here. Or Syrah mixed with Velvet. So that is the mixture I have for this. And then I have sterling right here. And I have added glitter to my sterling. You know, I just had to have some glitter today. And it's the Hemway glitter right here. There'll be a link down in the description below if you're interested in this product. And then I have a little bit of Mermaid Ore and Macaw right here. And this is a really cool color. I love making custom colors. This is definitely not my first video with the TLPs and custom colors. I mixed some of this up and had to thicken it up quite a bit for this process. Now, for my teal that I'm using right here, it is a mixture of this turquoise blue by Amsterdam, but it's also a mixture of an Atelier's green that I have run out of. So I cannot tell you the exact mixture for this one. This is my Franken paint. I am a little nervous about doing this. I have not done a cloud ring pour before. I've done cloud pearl pours, as you want to call them, but I've never done a ring pour one. At least I don't think I have. My God, if I did, whatever. It's a very long time ago if I did. So, wish me luck. I really hope this comes out because I like my mixture of colors here today. So I'm hoping this comes out. Let me try this again. Oh my God. That mixture of paint was so clumpy, it was not even worth it for me to try to use it. So what I mixed it with was Creative Inspirations Sky Blue, and I have the Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. I was out of the tube of that of the other Amsterdam color, so I just made up another one, and I like this. This is a pretty color, so let me start all over again. Holy cow, what a mess. Well, I definitely did something wrong. Back to the drawing board. But this one's really cool, so I'm gonna wait and see what it looks like when it's dry, but I'm starting all over again. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, it's dry. I think for a non-cloud pour that I was going for, this looks pretty good. There's a little bit of glitter coming through. You will not be able to see it. I did not varnish this yet. It's really unique. I don't think I've ever done one like this before. I love the movement of it. I actually can't even decide which way I like it. Maybe this way. I don't know. I can't decide. But I'm salvaging this, even though this is not the cloud pour that I wanted for the collaboration. I'm okay with that. The next collaboration that we do is all about cells. I'm excited about that. So, yeah, I mean, it did not come out the way I wanted it to, but it's wicked cool. I'm not at all upset with it at all. Like I said, I can't decide which way to turn it. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is completely free. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.